Our focus now in a shocking crackdown on the LGBTQ community. Russia's Justice Ministry has now filed a motion with the nation's Supreme Court demanding a ban on international LGBTQ public movement for extremism. Now, the motion said that the movement had shown signs of extremist activity, including religious and social unrest. So far, it is unclear if the motion seeks to ban LGBTQ community as a whole or specific organizations. Now, the ban, however, could leave the LGBTQ activists vulnerable to criminal prosecution. In fact, since its offensive against Ukraine, Russia has showcased its existential fight against Western liberal values and also has intensified its campaign against the LGBTQ community. In fact, if we talk about the past, Russia has used the extremist label to define LGBTQ rights organizations and also the opposition groups that are opening its members to prosecution. Now, joining me on the phone line is my colleague Rishabh to get us more information on this. Rishabh, there's no clarity on this particular motion now. Is this going to be a ban on the entire LGBTQ community, or are we looking at a blanket ban that could potentially only include a few organizations?
They're going for a ban on a specific organization or the whole LGBTQ as a whole thing. Because if the second thing happens, if the whole LGBTQ movement has been banned, it means that all the LGBTQ activists are threatened and will have threat to be criminally prosecuted by Russian government, and that is something that will not go down well with a lot of people. That will be termed as a homophobic stand by the Russian government. But as of now, what we are trying to understand is whether it's on a particular group that Russia believes has turned into an extremist group, or the whole community at once. So that is something that needs to be cleared by Russian government. Apart from that, we have seen this is not the first time that Russia is taking such stand. We have seen in past as well where Russian government have spoken against the LGBTQ movement. We have seen crackdowns on LGBTQ movement as well in past. So it remains to be seen how things unfold from here.
Right, Rishabh, appreciate you joining us with all those details there. We'll, of course, keep a close eye on all those developments that are coming in from Russia. Shifting our focus now